So this is the first video. This is a cardot PCB, main unit PCB. This is another product. It is very popular in this market. Yes. Okay. Make a comparison. This is HKE brand. It is also HKE. This is YH. It's not a brand, and this is very famous starter relay HFKC. HFKC. Okay. This is a microchip CPU. This is not microchip, not microchip. And this DIP for so many function setting. This is not no DIP. This is PKE. Yes, PKE connector. PKE connector. No glue water, and this glue water. Okay, glue water. This connector is for high frequency antenna. This separate high frequency antenna. It will make a non-distance remote control. This is solid. Okay. And also, this is the fifth video from cardot. I will make a comparison about the differences. But the differences is the cables, main cable. This main cable is not. This main cable is from this main unit, and this cable from cardot. This is not copper material. Cardot main cable material is 100% cable. Okay, let us make a testing. Okay. Yes. Remove the covers. Remove the covers. Yes. This is not from cardot. This from cardot. Okay. From cardot. Yes. Yeah. This year came from cardot. From this one. This from this cable. Okay. Please try. Please check. Yes, burnt out. Yes, burnt out. Yeah. Yes. Original shape. Yes. This is not copper. Yes. It will be needed to short. Yes, as you can see. Yes. Yes. This is copper material cable. It's not interfere product. If you buy good product, please buy cardot. Cardot, good product, good price. This cheap price, cheap product, and inferior quality. Okay. This good, you're not good. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.